The Link 2500i is Ingenico's mobile smart terminal that offers you a secure way to accept electronic payments for your business. In this video, we will guide you through a general installation. Your Link 2500i package will include the following: Link 2500i device with battery already installed, a USB cable, a USB adapter, and an optional icon case compatible with an iPhone 6s, 7, 8, and iPhone SE 2020 model. Before you charge your device, connect one end of the USB cable into the USB adapter. To charge the Link 2500i, connect one end of the USB cable into the wall outlet and the other end into the device. The device will now start charging. It will need to be charged for at least 4 hours before it is ready to use. The Link 2500i will turn on when it is connected to a power source. Press any key to wake up your device. To power off the Link 2500i, press and hold the pound and yellow keys together until the screen turns off. You can use your Link 2500i with an iPhone 6s, 7, 8, or iPhone SE 2020 model with the help of Ingenico's icon case. For the Link device, use the Icon 2500i case. And for the iPhone, use the Icon IPO8 case. To install your Link device with the Icon 2500i case, start by removing the top drawer as shown. Slide the Link 2500i into the icon case and reinstall the top drawer to lock the Link device into place. To install your iPhone with the Icon IPO8 case, start by sliding the lock on the back to the unlock position as shown. Next, take off the top drawer, slide the iPhone in, and put the top drawer back on. Slide the lock on the back to the lock position to secure the iPhone into the case. Once both devices are secured into their individual cases, connect them by magnetically joining them together as shown. Your Link 2500i is now ready to use with an iPhone. Thanks for watching. Hope this was helpful.